Hey everybody, thanks for coming to join me today. I'm Laura, and I can't lie, Delta got me down. I was ready to go out and dance with my friends and do some fun things, and I had some stuff planned, and then plans changed as they might have for you. So I was down for a bit, but I decided to pick myself back up again, put on my fancy hair and my fancy clothes, and get just some dancing done. So if you feel down and you want to get a pickup, hopefully this will help. Come dance with me. Here we go. All right, got to get my sweat on. I hope you did too. Hopefully this helps to shake off some of those Delta blues. If you like this and want to help support my channel, click like and subscribe. That's one of the best ways to do that for that YouTube algorithm. Also, please consider supporting me on Patreon, and thank you to all of my patrons for helping to keep these videos free for everybody in the world, including people like you. We're dancing to Michael Gamble. His music is fantastic, and you can find a link to it in the description. And finally, half of the music that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that help support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy Hop is a black dance, and that's super important. And the best way to learn how to Lindy Hop, and the best way to make me happy personally, is to dance and dance as often as I can.